Hello and welcome to a rainbow edition of 9Honey's Everyday Kitchen. I'm Jane de Graaff and I am dressed for a rainbow occasion. What we're making today is the internet trend that you will have seen doing the rounds, which is rainbow grilled cheese sandwiches. You heard that right, take it in. Rainbow grilled cheese sandwiches. Now I'm going to show you two ways to do it because the first way is with standard food colouring and the second way is done naturally for those of us that are avoiding the food colourings. I'll show them to you side by side and you be the judge with which one you want to go with at the end. So I have my bowls of cheese ready to go, and with this line here I'm going to colour one blue, one green and one pink just with standard food dye. And then over here in these bowls I'm going to use green spirulina, which is a natural food colouring powder that you can get, very good for you but also sends things green, and some pureed up beetroot, and I'm going to colour my cheeses with those, and then we're going to pop them onto our bread on the grill and see how they turn out. Let's do it. Okay, there we have our two different types of coloured cheese ready to go into our grilled cheese sandwiches. Now I recommend using white bread for this because it works particularly well, and always butter the outside of your bread when you're making toasted cheese sandwiches because it gives you a fabulous end result. So pop two on there like that. Now what I'm going to do is take my cheese and I'm going to line it up in sections on the bread to hopefully get our lovely rainbow result. So here we go. Don't be shy, get the cheese in there. You want that really rainbowy effect. So in we go. And now we just let that grill away as an awesome surprise for the kids. Well, they smell ready to me and I can't wait any longer, so let's see how our rainbows turned out. All right, I'm going to start with this one. So this is our naturally coloured rainbow cheese. You ready? Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that pink and green cheesy delight. Very impressive. So that's the first one. How much fun does that look? And here comes the showstopper. Now I'm not going to pretend that it doesn't have food colouring in it. It's all food colouring, but it's a great fun way to serve a toasted cheese sandwich. Here we go. Look at that. Rainbow cheese toasted sandwich for a bit of fun with the kids. I guarantee they will love it. I don't know about you, but I like the look of that too. Thank you so much for joining me for 9Honey's Everyday Kitchen, and you can just leave me here with my rainbowy, cheesy goodness. And I will see you next time.